Hello everyone and welcome to your 16th Adobe Photoshop tutorial, Blending Modes. In this tutorial we will learn about all of the blending modes and we will learn how basically do they work. So let's start. Now, blending modes are those modes which basically you apply to one layer in order to command or set how it will overlap or perform with another layer. For example, we have the chrysanthemum flower on top and these ruins on the bottom. This is the top layer, this is the bottom layer. So what we will do is select the top layer, go over to here to select the blending modes. They are also known as transfer modes. Just select, then you can select out of these so many blending modes. Let's start by first one, the darken. And as you can see, this was the normal image, this is the darken. The next is multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color, lighten, screen, and so on. Now the best would be that you check them out individually yourself every time so that you can come to know which one is working best for the situation that you are thinking of, and then you can just apply the same effect anywhere you want. For now, let us do something interesting. Let's shut off this layer first, select the ruins layer. Now let us also work with the quick selection tool along with this. Let's select the quick selection tool and let's select the sky for once. Left click and drag. It doesn't have to be very precise. Just over to the left corner there is a space. Let's just select this, subtract from selection, decrease the brush size, and that's it. Okay, so since the sky is now selected, go to the move tool. Now do not erase the selection and go back and select the flower layer. Shut its eye on and then you will have the selection. Now what we want to do is we will go to the select over here, go to inverse so that the sky is the only thing that is not being selected. As you can see, instead of being selected on the upper side, the sky, the land is now selected. Now what we will do is we will see how the other tools work in accordance to our selections. We will learn that in the next tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.